In this lecture, we're going to take our discussion of uncertainty further. We're going to talk about risk aversion and expected utility and some alternatives to risk aversion in this lecture. So, what is a risk aversion? Now, before that, I want to ask you one question. Do you like uncertainty? Okay, so the question is that, do you like uncertainty? Well, if the answer is yes, you do, then you are a risk-loving person. And if the answer is no, then you are a risk-averse individual. You are a risk-averse individual. So, and what do these risk-averse individuals do? Do they always make riskless choices? Sometimes it is not under your control. To make riskless choices. For example, you're going in a car, there might be an accident, but it doesn't mean that you will not go in the car. Does it mean that? No. So, what you can do? So, if you're going in a car, there is a probability that there might be an accident, right? But you cannot avoid that. Can you avoid that? But what you can do is that you can minimize the financial loss that might occur due to that accident. And for that, you need to pay something. You will be willing to pay something in order to eliminate that outcome. That is, you might be willing to pay to avoid risk. When I say avoid risk, it also means to eliminate risk or to reduce risk. All of these things mean same. And how can they do that? They can purchase an insurance policy. Purchase an insurance policy. Right? They can purchase an insurance policy. Well, so whom do you call a risk-averse individual? Risk-averse agent or risk-averse individual. If there are two bundles, one is a riskless bundle, another is a risky bundle. Okay. And both of these bundles have the same level of expected consumption. Same level of expected consumption. Then, in that case, this guy still prefers riskless bundle. Both of these bundles, a risky bundle and a riskless bundle, both of them are giving you same level of expected consumption, but you are still preferring a riskless bundle, then you are a risk-averse individual. Right? So, this is the way a risk-averse individual is defined. Well, how do you put this on an indifference curve? So we'll draw an indifference curve here. Right. And you'll have this is food if sunny. This is food if hurricane, right? This guy is what? This is your line of constant expected consumption. So I'll just write this for you. Constant expected consumption, right? Constant expected consumption.